A clue! A clue!
Wait, you see a clue? Wait, where is it?
Right there!
All I see is this red stripe, which it does have a paw print on it. Oh, it's a clue. This red stripe is our second clue. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Oh, you know, I think I'll use my red crayon to draw this red stripe. First, we'll draw a rectangle and fill it in. And we have a red stripe. And we have a red stripe, which is our second clue. Wait, do you hear that? What is that?
A clue! A clue!
Wait, is it the phone?
No! A clue!
Oh, there's a clue on this sound. It's sort of a quacking sound. Hey, let's draw this in our handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay. Let's draw some curvy lines like this to help us remember this sound. And we have our third clue. We have all three clues. You know what this means? We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Let's go.